Welcome to 1936 Coral Point Drive. Build your dream home on this Cape Coral deep water lot with direct access to the Caloosahatchee River. The lot features a seawall as well as a concrete patio area at the water. No bridges, no turns, no locks. Bring your sailboat, wakeboarding boat, fishing boat, or nearly any type of boat to this lot. It would be great for jet skis as you are only about a 10-minute idle from the river. Best deal on the market right now for this kind of river access. Not many lots as great as this one, so don't miss out. Call today.